Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I want to show you the new silverware we have been using in our house. It is this beautiful set by Nice Kitchen, and let me tell you, it really is nice. It is so sleek and smooth and so shiny. But not only do I love how beautiful it looks, it's also very functional and easy to hold. So I'm a little picky about what I like my silverware to feel like in my hand, and I love this. It fits in your hand very ergonomically. This is a 60-piece set, so it is a serving for 12 people, which is great. We are a family of 5, and so meals at home, 2 of those a day, and we're out of silverware. But with this set, we always have silverware available. It has been such a nice thing to have. It's also been through our dishwasher many times, and it still looks just as shiny as it did the day I took it out. So if you're looking for a nice set of silverware that will stand the test of time and still look nice and shiny despite how many kids use this, I highly recommend this set by Nice Kitchen. But that's just my point of view.